In the last video, we learned that Power Query can combine data from multiple sheets, but Power Query can also combine data from multiple files in a folder as well. And today I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, so this is the folder, monthly sales, that contains the files that I want to combine. And let's work in this new workbook. First, go to Data, go to Get Data, from File and from Folder. Select the folder and click on Open. Right over here, select this Combine and click on Combine and Transform Data. And I choose Sheet 1 because all of my data in all of these files is in this sheet name called Sheet 1. Just make sure that you have consistent name in all of the files. If you have different names in all of these files, then you will need a different approach. All right, then hit on OK. And here I have combined all of the data in all of the files. And I can change this to date format. And I want to replace the current step, which is this one. And I can just load. So I have already got the combined data for all of the files that are in this monthly sales data. Alright, so definitely try using Power Query to combine data from multiple files. And if you're interested to learn about combining files with different sheet names, comment down below and let me know. And I'll see you next time. Bye.